Okay, so now let us discuss the importance of the data management in the government. No? So, government agencies makes a thousands of decisions every day. No, all of the government agencies um, are reliable on the datas in terms of their decision making. No, so this decision should be based on the accurate and reliable information dapat. So, data management helps government agencies through developing public policies, no? Also, data management can deliver a quality public services, no? Sa lahat ng nangangailangan ng mga kliyente or mga beneficiaries. Then, next is, with the data, they can allocate budgets, no? In which those budget ay it must be ensured na galing yun sa data na kung saan yun yung magiging basis nila, no? During the budget hearing, halimbawa, no? And also, those data is kailangan siya for monitoring the programs, no? And also improve transparency, no? Kasi nga halimbawa mapapakita, no, sa mga bawat beneficiaryo yung transparency na tinatawag. So halimbawa kung magbibigay si MAFAR ng fishing boat or fishnet, no? So bago sila magbigay ng mga pangalan, no, kung sinong pagbibigyan is ini-ensure na talagang galing yun sa data na kung saan ay na-validate, no, bago ipamigay. And yun, lahat ng mga beneficiaryo na yun ay ipapakita, ibibigay sa tamang tao, no, at sa tamang nangangailangan, no. Yun, those data must improve transparency, no. Then lastly is to support evidence-based decision making, no. So especially on the decision making process ng isang government, no. So instead of relying on assumptions, the government officials can make informed in terms of decisions using those reliable data na meron, no? So, yun nga, halimbawa is, or the example is, suppose that our ministry, no, the MAFAR, will plan to distribute a fishing boats, no? So before the distribution, or before we're going to distribute those intervention or programs, we must know how many fisher folk, no, ang naka-registered. So dapat may proper data si munisipyo, no, or si barangay. Then next is we must also know which municipalities have the greatest needed, no, or badly needed yung ano na yun, yung intervention na yun or yung programa na yun. Then lastly is we must also know, or kami na nasa public service or nasa gobyerno, we must also know na which communities have a low fish production. So, magiging basis din natin yun, no, sa pagbibigay ng mga programa ni MAFAR. Then, without those reliable data, no, those boats or those intervention or those program na na-distribute namin is magiging unfair, no? Kasi gani wala tayong basis. So, yun yung important ng data management sa government.